Installing Windows Server 2012 into VM. Let's begin. Open VMware Workstation in your computer. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical. Click on Next. Select I will install the operating system later. Click on Next. Select Microsoft Windows. Select Windows Server 2012. Click on Next. Where do we want to install this virtual machine? I will install it in a D drive. In a D drive, I will create Win2K12 folder in VHD. Specify the virtual hard disk size. Size will be 60 GB. Click on Next. Click on Finish. Now go to the Edit Virtual Machine setting. We need to attach ISO image file of Windows Server 2012. Go to the Browse. Here you can see image of Windows Server 2012 R2. Click on OK. Now need to click on Power on this virtual machine. Operating system file has been booted from the ISO image file. Click on Next. Click on Install Now. Now click on Data Center Edition, Server with a GUI. Click on Next. Now need to click on I accept the license terms. Click on Next. Select Custom. Create a new partition. Assign full size of hard drive to the C drive. Now click on Next. File has been copied. Now Windows need to restart to continue the setup of Windows Server 2012. Now it is restarting. Now need to give password of administrator user. It is finalizing settings. Now operating system is installed successfully. Press Ctrl Alt or Insert. Give password of administrator users. Windows Server 2012 R2 edition has been installed. Thank you for watching this video. Deploy Windows Server 2016 into VMware Workstation. So let's begin. First, you need to open VMware Workstation, then go to the File, click on New Virtual Machine, select Typical, click on Next, select I will install the operating system later, then click on Next, and select Windows Server 2016. Just click on Next. Where do we want to install this virtual machine? VHD_demo of D drive. Just click on Next. How much size required of hard drive for this virtual machine. I will give 60 GB. Just click on next and finish. Click on browse button and select 2016 server image file. Then click on OK and then power on this virtual machine. It will boot server 2016 image file. Just give enter to boot from CD or DVD. Click on next. Click on install now. Select Windows Server 2016 Data Center and now with the desktop experience, and now click on next. I accept the license term and click on next. Now we need to install Windows only. So select custom, create new partition, assign full size to the partitions, and now click on next. It is getting file ready for installation. It will take few minutes. Window will restart in 1 second. Copying file from CD to the hard drive is completed. Now it will take few seconds to load Windows 2016 operating system. Now need to assign password for this virtual machine. And now just click on finish. Operating system installed successfully. Now need to install VMware tools. Just click on VMware tools and run setup. Just click on next, next, install. Just click on finish. If you want to add some additional rules in Windows Server 2016, you can open Server Manager and just click on Add Rules and Features. You can also access Add Rules and Features menu from Manage button. Just click on Next. Just click on next. It's a computer name of this machine. Just click on next and select DNS We didn't assign static IP address. Actually, we need static IP address for DNS. It's a recommended setting, but we will assign later. Just click on continue. If you want to install IIS also, just select it and just click on next, 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 again next, and click on install. Installation of DNS and IIS role has been started, and it will take a few minutes to install roles in Windows Server 2016. I've installed the DNS and IIS role because in further video we will penetrate DNS information and IIS information by using some additional tools. DNS actually used to provide name to IP and IP to name service, and IIS service is used to host a website. It provides web services. Installation succeed, just click on close. Hope you understand very well how to install Windows Server 2016 into VMware Workstation and how to install some additional roles in operating system like DNS or IIS. So thank you for watching this video.